Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to produce bleach at home. I'm going to use this video also to show you how to produce bleach and vim in one production. Vim is a scouring powder used for washing blackboard and utensils that are stained with soot or lamp black. But our main product in this production is bleach. Bleach enhances clothes cleaning, remove tough stains from clothes and keep it sparkling white. It can sometimes serve as disinfecting agent for toilet and bathrooms, for mopping and disinfecting our floors and environment. Because of its ability to destroy the coronavirus, it is widely used in the hospitals and in public places for this purpose. If you are new to this channel, I suggest you subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Bleach can be made from the following materials. These are calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine, caustic soda, soda ash dense, industrial salt or sodium sulfate, and menthol. Before we go into the mixing process proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of chemicals required to produce about 20 liters of bleach. Calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine, 1 kilogram. Caustic soda, half kilogram. Soda ash, 1 kilogram. Industrial salt, 1 kilogram. Menthol, 2 tablespoons. Now these are the chemicals. This is calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine. Calcium hypochlorite in bleach has the capacity to fight germs. This is what makes bleach a disinfectant. Bleach made with ingredients like calcium hypochlorite can be used to disinfect our environment against the coronavirus. Now this is caustic soda and this is soda ash. This is industrial salt. Industrial salt is made up of 99% sodium chloride and other elements like calcium, potassium, iron and magnesium. And finally this is menthol. Now in no particular order, we're going to dissolve these chemicals in 20 liters of water. So first we're going to measure about 15 liters of water into an empty bucket. Add the calcium hypochlorite into the water. You can now add your caustic soda. Add your soda ash. And add your industrial salt. Dissolve the menthol in water and add it to it. Now stir the mixture very well for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now let the mixture stand for about 72 hours. Now this is the mixture after standing for 72 hours. So let's filter it very carefully now. Now this is the filtrate and this is called bleach. And now this is the residue. This residue can be dried and used as scoring powder. Scoring powder can be used to wash the back of our pot, and sometimes it is called vim. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.